Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Needs Creations. Today I'm gonna make 5 minutes easy and fast jar cakes. Here I'm making two different flavors, Mango Delight and Mixed Fruit Jam cake. Firstly, we required a glass jar and I'm cutting a bread in a round shape using the lid of the same jar. For the one jar of 500 gram, it required 3 round cuts of bread. And now I will prepare the sugar syrup first. For that, I am adding 3 to 4 spoons of sugar powder, adding little bit of water in it and mix it well. Now dip the round cut of bread slice in it and put it in the jar. Sugar syrup helps to keep the moisture in the cake and enhance the flavor as well. For the second layer, I am going to spread mixed fruit jam over the bread. And third layer will be vanilla whipped cream. Here you can use either buttercream or an ice cream as a substitute of whipped cream. So 3 layers are ready. I am repeating the same process of 3 layers again and add another 3 layers of bread, whipped cream and jam. For the jar cakes, always start filling from the edges to the center for the better look of the jar. The middle layer here I am spreading with the tutti frutti. You can add a slice or chopped fruits of your choice, or adding fruit jelly is one of the best options for the instant jar cake to be ready in no time. And final layer is I am garnishing with the cherry and some of the tutti frutti on the top. And my mixed fruits jam jar cake is ready to gift. For the second flavor, that is Mango Delight, I am adding pinch of lemon yellow food color in the whipping cream and mix it properly. Fill the cream in the bottle and close it with the nozzle for the cake decoration. You can use plastic cone to fill the cream. Now again, I am cut the bread in the round shape and dip it in the sugar syrup and put it in the jar. Now I am layering second layer with the yellow whipped cream, spread it well and repeat the same process again for another 2 layers. For the middle layer, I am using frozen mango, which is roughly chopped, and cover it with the whipped cream. Garnishing is completely depends on you, that how well you would like to decorate. Garnish the top layer with the mango cuttings and Mango Delight jar cake is ready. It is so easy and yummy cake. Please try it at once. I'm sure you would love my 5 minutes jar cakes recipe. Thank you for watching.